Hey guys, this is Steven here at LastFit. Today we're going to be working on this 2013 Ford F-150 and we're going to be using our new custom-made FO-H13A bulbs for the specific headlight for these vehicles. So the tools you're going to be needing is going to be a 10mm socket with ratchet and a Phillips screwdriver. To begin removing the headlight, you first want to use your Phillips screwdriver to remove a push clip that has a Phillips head. Once you remove that, you can put aside your flap. And at this point, you're going to use your ratchet and 10mm socket to remove. There's going to be 3 10mm. Once you get those off, pretty much at that point, just try to pull the headlight straight towards you, not at an angle, because that would just make it difficult. Just take your time with it, because it is a kind of like a little tight fit in there. Once you pull out the headlight, locate your H13. Once you find it, disconnect it, turn it left, pop it out. And at this point, you get your new FO-H13A. And same way, just line it up, turn it to the right, and it locks it in place. Once you have your bulb installed, make sure you test them first before reassembling. Once you verify that everything works, you're going to put back your headlight in place. Make sure you align it with both clips that it has on the sides. Once it's all in place, you're going to start installing your 3 10mm screws. Once you got those in, remember to put your flap back in place and put your push clip back into the section. Alright, so once you're done with this, you can move on to your next headlight and just repeat the process again. Here we have a comparison. We got the new FO-H13A bulbs on the top and we got the stock halogen bulbs on the bottom. For more videos like these and installation information, you can always visit us at our Instagram and Facebook at LastFit Auto Lighting. And for more product information, www.lastfit.com.